What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick crypto news and market update. We actually have a lot of major news over the past 24 hours. Banks discussing allowing their customers to actually purchase Bitcoin and cryptos directly from their bank account, among other things. Ethereum just broke another all-time high of $3,540. We have a lot of different altcoins surging as well. It's definitely looking like altcoin season is kicking off, like we have talked about over the past couple days. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell if you do want to be notified when I make new crypto videos. Alright guys, so before we jump into the markets and discuss this major crypto news, I want to quickly thank CryptoTrader.tax for sponsoring this video. This is going to be the last time I remind you guys about crypto taxes and taxes in general. So we do have taxes now due at May 17th, which is coming up very quickly here. So if you guys haven't done your crypto taxes yet, I do recommend this crypto tax software. It's very easy to use. It only takes a few minutes. I actually did a tutorial going through it step by step if you guys do want to check that out. That is in my cryptocurrency guides playlist. So it only takes a few minutes. You easily connect your exchanges. It knows exactly what to print out. You can connect that with TurboTax and easily get your crypto taxes done, or just take that to your tax professional and make that much simpler for them. So last year I did do my own crypto taxes. It took over 12 hours. Figuring out the tax form and how to do it correctly was a massive headache, and I wish I had used a crypto tax software like this. So I definitely recommend checking this out. So if you guys do want to use this crypto tax software, there will be a link in the video description. Using that link will give you an extra 10% off when you actually pay and generate the tax report. So I do recommend using that link. It also gives the channel a small kickback as well, so I do appreciate that. All right guys, so jumping into the crypto markets, it has been a crazy day in the crypto space. Lots of breaking news, lots of altcoins moving up very quickly. Ethereum hit a new all-time high of $3,540. It did have a small retracement, but Ethereum has been on a steady rise for the past couple weeks. So we did have that prediction of a $5,000 Ethereum by the end of May. It's looking more possible by the day. Binance BNB is holding pretty steady around $640. Dogecoin on the rise again. It actually hit 69 cents this morning. Pretty crazy how high Dogecoin has gone. Now over an $80 billion market cap. Around 69 cents, probably was closer to 90 billion. So getting very close to flipping Binance BNB in market cap for the third spot. Just insane how much Dogecoin has surged. So we do have the crypto space looking pretty good in general. XRP is at $1.70, up 16%. ADA's getting close to $1.50. Polkadot around $40. Bitcoin Cash is actually up close to 30% today. So Litecoin and Uniswap and Chainlink aren't doing too great today, but these cryptocurrencies have surged. Litecoin and Chainlink both were up a lot yesterday. So I do believe Litecoin and Chainlink have a lot of growth to go during this bull market still, especially Chainlink in my opinion, because it's being used for oracles more and more in the cryptocurrency space. Lots of utility coming out of the Chainlink project. Litecoin I'm still very bullish on as well. I do believe that's bullish next to Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, being one of 4 cryptocurrencies on PayPal. Stellar XLM up 20%. Pretty much everything in the crypto space is in the green today and looking good. It does look like we're at the start of a huge altcoin season, and I do believe a lot of projects that have major events coming up and that are bullish in general will be surging. So yesterday we did go over the article. Altcoins just repeated a move that could launch them 27,000% or higher in 2021. I really think those percentages are out of the cards at this point, but I do still see very high potential in a lot of top 100 cryptocurrencies. But if you want these much higher returns, you're really going to have to look at the much smaller market cap cryptocurrencies that are not as well known, and really find those hidden gems out there. But keep in mind, those are also much higher risk. So those people that do find those good hidden gems and they have diamond hands and hodl are the ones that are going to get the higher percentages like this. I don't think top 10 cryptos or even top 100s are going to see anything close to this return on investment by the end of this current bull market. So regardless, things are going to be looking good, but that's a bit far-fetched in my opinion. So another 50% daily gain for Dogecoin confirms alt season as Bitcoin slumps. Dogecoin rally sparks speculation about the arrival of alt season as Ether celebrates its 8th straight day reaching a new all-time high. 8 days in a row, Ethereum has hit a new all-time high. Like I said, just steadily climbing, breaking new all-time highs, moving up $100 or $200 per day. So at some point, it's very possible people just get so bullish on Ethereum, it just has a massive breakout. And I do think that's the possibility where we see that $5,000 Ethereum by the end of May. It's really going to depend on the sentiment of the crypto space in general, but things are looking really good. So for sports fans, Doge is starting to look like crypto's real MVP. We're getting more and more retail adoption for Dogecoin. Sports teams accepting Doge as payment. Mark Cuban said the Dallas Mavericks are selling more merchandise in a day with Doge than in a year with Bitcoin or Ethereum. So there's the proof for you. People are actually using Dogecoin as payment while they're not really using Bitcoin or Ethereum. So the Dallas Mavericks accept all of these cryptos in payment, but the one that's being used is Dogecoin. So if we do want to see mass adoption for the various cryptocurrencies that we're holding long term, one way to do so is to actually spend that cryptocurrency at retailers that accept that cryptocurrency as payment. This is a great example with the Dallas Mavericks. They accept Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, but the support behind Dogecoin is so strong that they see more volume in a single day than they do in an entire year for Bitcoin or Ethereum transactions. So not only is that good for Dogecoin holders, but it's also going to help push mass adoption of Dogecoin more, because other retailers are going to see this and they're going to want to accept Dogecoin as payment just to increase the amount of sales that they get and the adoption. So that is going to help Dogecoin get accepted at more retailers. Pretty crazy that it's more in a single day than an entire year for Bitcoin or Ethereum. So if you do want to support a cryptocurrency and retailers accept it, you should actually use it as payment. Even though you do want to hold it long term, you can just use the fiat currency you would have purchased the merchandise with to actually buy the cryptocurrency and use the cryptocurrency as payment just to help push the mass adoption of those cryptos. So we do have lots of other major news today as well. Bitso reportedly becomes Latin America's first billion-dollar crypto exchange. The startup has a total value of $2.2 billion following its latest Series C investment round. So that's pretty huge. This is showing more adoption of cryptocurrency in general. More and more retail investors getting into the space means higher volume and more adoption in general. So that's a great sign. 3 reasons why the other Ethereum has pumped 130% in the last week. What this article is referring to is Ethereum Classic. So in case you guys haven't seen, Ethereum Classic has just gone straight parabolic over the past few days, going from around $20 to $30 all the way up to nearly $100. It did briefly break $100. So now at an $11 billion market cap, Ethereum Classic. So this did just get added to Robinhood. A lot of people are claiming this parabolic surge is just the Robinhood effect of a lot of Dogecoin holders and stock investors just buying into Ethereum Classic without doing research and just FOMO buying. So this has broken past previous all-time highs and just straight surged. So another reason why people buy Ethereum Classic is because they don't like the updates that Ethereum is doing. I have seen some other influencers talk about this, that anytime there's a major Ethereum network update coming, Ethereum Classic also does well, because those that don't like the updates end up buying Ethereum Classic. So you can switch between the two. Personally, I don't hold any Ethereum Classic and I don't think I ever will. I do hold Ethereum though, and I do like the updates that Ethereum has coming, making it deflationary and being able to stake and switching over to proof of stake, saving energy as well. As you guys know, there's a lot of controversy over Bitcoin and how much energy it uses right now. So by far the biggest news today, US banks to allow Bitcoin trading in 2021. So US lenders are keen to get in on the crypto trading action and could soon allow customers to buy Bitcoin right from their accounts. This is massive. If banks start getting on board and allowing you to buy cryptos and hold cryptos from your bank account, that's going to be game changing. So I do think it's very possible Chase will eventually do this with JP Morgan. JP Morgan has stated they will get into offering crypto services once there's higher demand, and it does appear we are headed into more and more demand. So I can see by the end of 2021, Chase and JP Morgan offering Bitcoin services. And once one or two of them do it, then all of the banks are going to have to get on board just to stay competitive. Otherwise, they're going to be behind. It's going to hurt the bank in general. So this is very interesting, and I really hope this plays out as quickly as they're stating within 2021. I do believe it will take longer for a lot of banks to really get into cryptocurrencies, but regardless, this is another massive push towards mass adoption. Even the discussion of banks allowing Bitcoin trading. So another article here about this: Bitcoin back above $57,000 as hundreds of US banks prepare to hodl for clients. Bullish news kickstarts a lackluster Bitcoin after an overnight slump neared $53,000 and altcoins kept surging. So it's really been mind-blowing how much massive news there has been day after day in the crypto space lately. Of course, this is making the crypto space more bullish. More retail investors are getting in. A lot of people are leaving the stock market, getting into cryptocurrencies now. And a lot of these stock apps that are very popular, like Webull and Robinhood, are beginning to get into cryptocurrency heavier, which is just great for the crypto space. Even if you don't support these stock platforms, it's definitely a push towards mass adoption and getting a lot more volume in the crypto space. We do have many other developments as well, like PayPal getting into crypto heavily, as well as Visa and MasterCard. Just a lot of push towards mass adoption in general. I don't think this current bull market is going to be ending anytime soon. And like we did talk about, JP Morgan is waiting for more demand before they get in. So I definitely see a lot more demand picking up by end of 2021. So UFC to launch MMA fan token on the Chiliz blockchain. We're getting more and more sports adoption of crypto lately as well. So the UFC is massive, and the fact they're launching their own cryptocurrency is massive as well. More and more mass adoption here. So the UFC officially announced on Tuesday that it will debut a UFC fan token on fan engagement and rewards app Socios.com. Minted on the Chiliz blockchain, the token is scheduled for launch in June and will have a maximum supply of just 20 million tokens. So it is interesting the different use cases we are seeing cryptocurrencies being created for. We also had Terry Crews not too long ago announce he's making his own cryptocurrency that's sort of a social currency that follows the value of what he's doing. So this is going to be interesting as well. A UFC fan token within this rewards app. I'm really interested to see where this goes, but regardless, another massive step towards mass adoption. So another big article here: Galaxy Digital to acquire crypto custodian and service provider BitGo. BitGo is a pretty big company, and Galaxy Digital, owned by Mike Novogratz, has been growing rapidly. So everything's looking great in the cryptocurrency space again. It's really crazy how much of a roller coaster the crypto space can be. Just a week or two ago, people were in mass panic in discussion of the new capital gains tax laws, as well as other things that were causing panic. So we are looking a lot better now in the crypto space in general. A lot of altcoins are surging. It is very possible we're at the start of a huge altcoin season. We got very close to Litecoin all-time highs today as well. For some exchanges, it actually did pass the all-time high, I believe. So lots of huge potential out there in the crypto space still. I think this is going to be the fastest growing industry in the world right now, and the best investment avenue as well over the next 5 to 10 years. So a lot of people are claiming we're going to be entering another bear market, but if we do, it's not going to be anything close to the previous bear market where we crashed down 70% and lower for most cryptocurrencies. So in my opinion, everything's looking good. I do believe the good sentiment is going to continue throughout 2021. Of course, there can always be breaking bad news where we do have major dips, but for most people that can be great opportunity to actually buy the dips. We have to keep in mind all the new retail investors have not had a chance to actually dollar cost average. So for all the people that have been getting into the crypto space over the past few months, those dips are the best opportunity for them to actually buy more cryptocurrency and increase their bag size. So that's it for today's crypto news and market update. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share this video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. Everything helps the channel grow, and I do really appreciate it. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.